All right, have a smart and healthy meal. And by smart and healthy, I mean a nutritious meal. And when I mean nutritious, I mean animal protein. If you think plants have more nutrients than animal protein, I want you to look up bioavailability. Because I know some plants, they're advertised as high in protein, things like broccoli, things like beans. But just understand that in the body, it doesn't recognize it. It only absorbs about 20%. All right, so you're gonna have to eat much more plants to get the same amount of protein and B vitamins that you would get with animal protein. So be smart about your decision. And if you're compassionate about animals like I am, then the answer is ethical meat. Grass-fed beef, grass-fed cows live a happy and healthy life, and then the old ones, they die off and then we eat them. It's a much more natural way of farming and eating. Same thing goes for pasture-raised eggs. Pasture means they're outside, they're in the sunlight, they're eating their natural diet, okay? So don't ever think that plants are gonna give you the same nutrients that animals will give you. Remember, we were hunter-gatherers for 2 million years, but we were hunters first. And the whole reason our brain doubled over 2 million years and our stomachs shrank compared to other primates is because we ate foods that were higher in nutrients. And those foods were animal protein. And not just animal protein, nose to tail. We ate organs, we ate heart, liver, especially liver, bone marrow. So try to find yourself some bone marrow, you know what I mean? Explore, be creative with the foods you eat. Try nose to tail again, okay? But don't ever think you're gonna get nutrients from your kale, your broccoli. These things are not things that we ate. And if you look up the history of kale, you'll realize kale doesn't actually exist in nature. It was bred from a wild mustard plant. So through crossbreeding and manipulation, kale was born, broccoli was born, but these foods actually don't grow in the wild. So you tell me what's more natural, a grass-fed steak or broccoli that doesn't exist in nature. If you do the research, you'll see that animal protein is superior, all right? So be smart about your meals. This is why I always say 2 proteins, 1 side. Love you guys, see you tomorrow. Peace out.